What did I do? Oh boy, here we go. I think I just blew up the bike. It was knocking really bad. Then I gave it the beans and then it made a super loud crunch. And we'll try pulling it over here. Oh, it does pull over. Oh, no, locked up right there. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, as you saw, I think I blew this up, and I just got it on here, noticed some oil dripping. Look at the carnage. Look at that. Holy. That is the entire block. Would you look at the carnage? I think it's safe to say that we're not using this engine again. When it happened, I was in a wheelie, and you can see the keyway has just... Alright, we're about to pull it out here. All the bolts are out. It's free. So now I'll just move it over here and then take the chain off. You can watch from here. Spark plug boot has to come off. Throttle cable. And out with the engine. There, the engine's out of there and it's right here. With all the carnage. So I'll start by taking the starter off. You can see the crack goes way down there. So I'll take the starter off first. Just took the starter off and look at that. If that starter wasn't there, I bet it would have punched the rod right through the block, because look how loose these chunks are. I don't know if I want to take them out, but goodness. Look at the carnage. Whole lot of carnage. Can we see the piston in there? I don't know. Can't tell. But damn. She's toasted. I'm going to start by removing the head. So let's do that. Alright, all the head bolts are out. Let's see. Haven't taken this off yet. So I'll pry it up. Okay. Oh, head gasket is fine. Everything here looks okay. The piston, I guess, does it go that high? I don't know. I'll try turning it over now. Still no movement. Oh. Moved a little bit. But no piston movement. Look at that. Is the valves moving? Yep, valves are okay, I think. But something's at a disagreement. There's the intake valve. Oh, that's doesn't sound good. Now let's pull the side cover off. Just drained some of the oil out, and it's looking pretty not mint. There's some old oil in there still in here, but yep, it was pretty black coming out of there, and it had, you can still see some of the flakes. The metal flakes. Anyways, now we'll pull the side cover off. I just noticed. I remember this being an engine, not a maraca. Anyways, let's get into it. Well, that looks like what used to be the crankshaft, or the connecting rod. You know, if all this didn't happen, I would have just got a new connecting rod and put it in. But there's where the rest of it is. Look at that bolt. Sheesh. Goodness. There's the cam. And here's where it used to live. Yeah. Anyways. Well, not much to see in here. but a whole bunch of bits. Oh, there goes the bolt. Not like it's any good, but still interesting. I guess that's all it has for a dipper on it. Look at that. Yeah. This thing wasn't doing too well for a bit. I think I over-revved it once. Yeah, look at that. No bueno. How does the crank look? Doesn't feel bad. I'll try to push the piston out. And there's the piston. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look bad at all. But then you look in here and then yeah, the whole cylinder wall right there. Bammo. This whole chunk. It gets difficult to turn. Must have done something to the bearing or something. Anyways. Well, another one for the wall of shame. But anyways, so what engine should I put in it next? Let me know. Do I get something like this so I can just put the same carb in that on it, or do I get, like, I don't know, a 212 or a 2JZ or a 252 stroke? I don't know, let me know. There are your options. So that'll wrap up this video. Pretty much. Can't throw it back together, go for another rip, really. Look at it, it's destroying things. Anyways, that'll about do it. This did it, but anyways, I'll clean this mess up because that's quite a mess. And then I don't know what to do with this now. I guess just push it to the corner or something. Because we've got other things going on over here and over here with the truck and with something that I'm not going to show you, but you'll see, unless you can already see it because it's a wide angle lens and I'm just a dummy. Anyways. Yep. The bike feels light though. Can I do a one-handed wheelie now? Oh. Anyways, I've rambled on long enough. So, goodbye. But before that, actually, wait. Click over here if you want to see that video. Then click over here if you want to see that video. I have no idea what they're going to be, but that's how editing works. And then you click right in the center. Click right in the center here. Click right where the clutch would be to subscribe to the channel. Anyway, so this engine's toast. So yeah, I'm signing off here. Goodbye. Hopefully your day's going better than this. Anyways, I don't care. I got this engine for free. That'll be it.